What if umatras po yung witness, hindi makukumpel pa rin po ba?
Yes po, meron pong compulsory processes ang impeachment court. Pwede po isubpoena ang mga recalcitrant witnesses.
Ma'am, itanong ko lang po sa mga private prosecutors natin at saka sa inyo na, yung case po kay Abby Andres of Davao City Sheriff, is there really a need to present him kasi parang total po yung defense panel at to establish daw po yung behavioral pattern of violence whether the Vice President is that to skulldugger in nature?
Siguro po, yung defense tutol, pero ang presentation po kasi ng evidence for the prosecution ay nasa control ng prosecutors. No? So, they could interpose their objections at sigurado naman papakinggan sila ng impeachment court, pero may karapatan din po yung prosecution na magdesisyon kung sino yung gusto ng prosecution na i-present bilang witnesses. No?
Okay.
In other words, ang pagpipresenta ng ebidensya ay nasa kamay ng side ng party na nagpipresent nito. So kung kagustuhan ng prosecution panel na ipresenta kung sinong witness, including that sheriff, then wala po magagawa ang defense dyan. Katulad din sa defense, kung sino yung gusto nila na ipresenta, basta ba nasa listahan as disclosed in the pre-trial brief and indicated in the pre-trial order, then wala rin po magagawa ang the other side o ay yung prosecution. So the manner of presenting evidence, including who to present, really rests in the party presenting. Thank you.
Tulad nga po ng sabi, kung ano po yung ipipresent ang ebidensya, kung sino, it's purely prosecutorial privilege. Ang limit lang po siguro is whether the evidence to be presented is relevant and competent, meaning whether it's allowed by the rules or by law.
What if umatras po yung witness, hindi makukumpel pa rin po ba?
Yes po, meron pong compulsory processes ang impeachment court. Pwede po isubpoena ang mga recalcitrant witnesses.